with this, the 5-volt ring Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Let me tell you more about it. This watch comes in a very soothing grey color that suits every mood and style. It has a 1.7 inches display and a sturdy metal body to provide protection against accidental falls and scratches. You can also place calls and receive incoming calls directly from your watch. You can even talk on the go thanks to this smartwatch. That's not all. The watch comes with a dial pad, an option to access recent calls and sync your phone's contacts as well. To keep track of your fitness levels, this monitors the blood oxygen SpO2 and has 24/7 heart rate tracking. Equipped with an inbuilt speaker, the smartwatch also lets you play your favorite tracks. With multiple watch faces, a honeycomb-style menu, and long-lasting battery life, the 5-volt ring smartwatch makes for an ideal choice. So if you too are looking for a smartwatch that pretty much does it all, check out this one from 5-volt.